cut in the lane, knowing cars coming out. We all got to slow down to like what, 30, 25 miles an hour. Ahead. You got it, Papa. You got it. Even though you don't have any plates, you know, no signal, but you got it, bro. You got it. I always let people in when they have the right to. 351BE5. Oh, come on, come on. You gonna cut the bike off, dude? Come on. I don't know what. Jesus, man. I wanted to stop and let him in, but there was cars coming behind me. I didn't want to risk getting rear-ended. All right, where you going, buddy? There's two cars side by side. You're in a rush to go nowhere. Putting wear and tear on your brakes, speeding. You're not going anywhere. So you're gonna what? You're gonna tailgate him and make him go out the way? Let's see. Okay, it worked. You know? You can't make this up.